We finally got some nice weather here in Toronto, and usually around this time we're off to Hawaii visiting family members, but since COVID-19 we cannot do that. So we decided we're going to bring a little bit of Hawaii to us and show you how to make the famous Huli chicken of Hawaii. Here we go, folks. Okay folks, we're in the kitchen. And now we're gonna make Huli chicken, and I got my assistant here, my daughter Anita. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with, usually it's pineapple juice, but I'm gonna try something different because I like to change things around. And I'm gonna try lemonade and see how this comes out. But regularly this would be pineapple juice. So what I'm doing whole chickens, so whatever I quote out as the size, it'll be doubled. So now, usually we got 1 cup of pineapple juice, but I'm using lemon. So this is 2 cups of lemonade. And then I got a 1/2 cup of soyu. Half a cup of brown sugar. Then we got a 1/2 cup of dry sherry. And then we got a 1/2 cup of ketchup. Okay, you're gonna have to get 1 spoon. Okay, we can get that later. Then we got 4 tablespoons of ginger. No, actually that's garlic. So we got 4 tablespoons of garlic. Come on, get that all in there.
I'm gonna need a spoon.
Okay, we spoon that out later. And then we got about 2 tablespoons of black pepper. Usually black pepper is not added, but I figured we put a little bit of spiciness to it. And then I got about maybe 1/2 cup of ginger. Now you know the more you add, the more blessed your food is. So I like to add more. So now stir it up. Take the whisk.
I don't know how to hold it.
Oh, come on. Mix it. Just mix it. Can you believe that, folks? You don't know how to stir it. Millenniums. Okay, now usually because we got this all stirred up, I will take my 1/2 chickens, or actually my 2 whole chickens, and let it sit in here and rest. But I'm gonna do something a little different so you can get the best Huli chicken that there is. So you can see now here I got the sauce, and I got my 2 spatchcock chicken. But what I really like to do is take this. Now this is like a syringe. And what we're gonna do is take up the sauce. Pick up that sauce and pump that chicken. That's gonna get all that flavor in there. Now this will make the best Huli chicken you've ever tasted. So just keep getting it into those muscles, get it into the legs. More. Okay. So once we got that in there, then we just take the whole chickens and we're just gonna let those season up. And then I can take some more sauce and just get it all over. go. So now we're gonna let this belly sit for 4 hours. But because I'm hungry, we're gonna let it sit for 2 hours. And then we're gonna get this on my smoke grilled. So we're gonna have huli huli smoked chicken. Best huli huli you've ever tasted. See, and here's the other one that's supposed to help us cook our food, but she didn't show up in time. Because she was out grocery shopping, as she says. But anyways, this was supposed to be my second helper, Marissa. But no, she could not be here. Now you can see that it's all seasoning. What we have here is my secret. What I do is after it's wet, I put dry rub on it. So that dry rub in here would be 1 tablespoon of salt, a half tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a half tablespoon of onion powder, and a half teaspoon of cumin. Mix that all up, and then once you mix that all up, you're gonna take some of the seasoning and then just start sprinkling it, and let it get inside the chicken. Get all that seasoning in there. A little bit all over. Then we're going to flip it. And get it all. And now we're going to go put the chicken into the barbecue. Now since in Canada we don't have any kiavi wood, we can use a smoker. So I'm going to take these, place it on the smoker. Come back in 2 hours. This is another trick. Take all your sauce and put it into a metal pan and let it cook. And as that's cooking, you can keep coming and marinating and get all the smoky flavors into the sauce. See this? The best huli huli chicken in all of Canada. That's right, huli huli chicken. So now we got the huli huli chicken all diced up, ready to eat.